Hey, so this is your girl Alifia coming in with another video, and I decided to start this video off with one of those awkward slow motions. Yes, they are so awkward for me, but I decided I'd do it anyway. So with that being said, this look is basically to focus on the blush and the lips because I had a parent to request a video. However, I am going to show you the eyes because I used my new Huda Beauty Nudes palette. And this is the first palette, well, yeah, my only palette from Huda Beauty, and basically this was my first time using the palette, and I really do like the palette just off of one time, so I have to see how I like it a little bit more as I use it. But anyway, I'm not going to talk through this whole entire video, so just keep on watching until I come back and talk again. Okay. Oh yeah, and let me just mention, it's the holiday times, and you all know that. So you all know we have peppermint everywhere. So my mom came over, and she had this crushed peppermint, and it was in a Ziploc bag, and she gave me some, and all through this video, I pretty much had crushed peppermint in my mouth. So that is why you see me doing some of the little awkward movements with my mouth, because I was eating peppermint, and it was so good. And pay no attention to that young man that just came in the room to borrow lotion from my mom. That was my nephew. Okay, so right about now, here's that second interruption. It seems like every time Bae is at home and I'm making a video, there's something for me, my expertise, shall I say, is needed on something. So yeah, my expertise was needed on the clothing attire for that day because I am just the wardrobe queen. Okay, so my parents' concern is her lack of knowledge with blush. And so this brush right here that I use for my blush is a CoverGirl brush that I got from Walmart for $5.99. Since I've gotten this brush, that's all I use for my blush. And for my blush color today, I'm using the MAC Diva Don't Care. So for me, I put my blush like right along the, I guess you could say, the apples of my cheeks, and I go up just a little bit. And I always try to make sure that it's not too much because I don't want to look clownish when it comes to the blush, because the blush is to accentuate your face and it's not just to stand out, so to speak, on the face, if that makes sense. So you never want your blush to pop out more than your eyes because it gives it that Raggedy Ann doll type of look, in my opinion. Another concern for her is applying lip liner. Now, when I apply my lip liner, sometimes I apply it thick and sometimes I apply it thin. I have applied it over my entire lips and then put my lipstick on. However, for this look, I'm just making it a thick type of line, and then I'm just going to add my liquid lipstick to it. And I'm going to actually go over my line a little bit with my lipstick because I don't want my line to look like just a drawn on line like when you're drawing on paper, if that makes sense. So you always want to make sure you blend your lip liner in with your lipstick so that it'll have like an gradient or ombre type of look, so to speak. So I hope that helps. Thank you so much for requesting this video. If there are any other requests, I'm not a makeup artist, I am a makeup enthusiast. So if there are any other requests when it comes to makeup, please do leave them in the comments below and I'll definitely get to them. And yeah, so that's about the end of this video. So I thank you so much for coming to check out another video. Stay tuned for the awkward slow-mo and the selfie session. So until the next time in between times, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.